This video recording is going to show you how to check your grades now that we have the new directive from the Oregon Department of Education. If you log into your home page and click on the Grades tab, it will take you to the grade book just like always. But now all you need to know is that you need to pick any two. So any 2 unit tests are required to pass. So if you see a 0, that means that you haven't completed a test. So the only 2 units that were due prior to the March 13th cutoff were units 1 and 2. However, for equity's sake, for those of you who started after that date, I would like you to be able to pick any 2 units that you want to take your test in, and same with all the students that started before March 13th. So if you have zeros and you want to take a different unit test, you are more than welcome to take any of these that you want, and I will replace the 0. So like this person took Unit 3's test instead of Unit 1, so I took the Unit 1 0 away. So if you see a dash line, it means that is not negatively affecting your grade. If you see a 0, that does mean it's negatively affecting your grade. And then anything that you want to complete above and beyond the 2 unit exams is going to be extra credit. So you can see right here, this person has completed several extra credit assignments that are only helping their grade. So again, for you only need to complete 2 of the unit exams at a passing score to pass this course.